started this company with a firm belief. In today's environment where financial markets are changing much more frequently and also in ways which we have not seen before, we believe that only with the application of AI and machine learning technology in the future, asset managers will be able to really cope with those changes. We try to industrialize the invention process of trading models, which of course is the core function of every hedge fund who is working on how to come to the next profitable trading model. And we try to solve it in a very scalable way.
We have developed different crisis alpha strategies. The reason why we developed crisis alpha strategies is, of course, it fits very good to the balanced portfolio in terms of diversification, but the reality is much more that with our approach of machine learning, we were just able to detect some kind of inefficiencies or anomalies much more likely in very volatile markets, in falling equity markets.
In our case, the trading models are generated automatically by our platform. The platform is analyzing constantly, researching constantly the slightest market and price deviations in the given underlyings we are in.
Machine learning is a very advanced topic of artificial intelligence, and it has a long history of development over many decades, and the whole field is about finding patterns and regularities in the data, and this is why machine learning is a perfect fit to financial problems if used properly. So once again, it's about finding patterns and regularities, and in the machine learning we have a lot of tools and a lot of methods that help us to find these complex patterns. And these patterns can be very non-linear, multidimensional, fuzzy, and this is why it's hard to find those patterns for human. So basically, with the help of machine learning, we can use data to search or to run an advanced search for those patterns. And overnight, for example, we can consider or validate over 1 billion of different patterns. And as a result, we find the patterns that are hard to find for a human. Another thing that I would like to emphasize is that we put a lot of focus on the automation of the whole process. And the main idea behind that is that we want to have as many strategies as possible that are not really correlated with each other. Because if you have a portfolio of many uncorrelated strategies, the whole portfolio shows a good financial performance. And this is why from our side we would like to have a system that helps us to generate the strategies as quick as possible, as efficient as possible. And this is what we call artificial intelligence system. This is a system that is able to take data and then find patterns in this data, then validate those patterns and generate a working strategy that is already validated and which has a lot of value in the context of the existing strategies.